Hi, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making music festival jewelry. So I love my earrings that I have on, but I really need a necklace to go with it. And I kind of want one like that, but with a tassel.
Oh, that would be cool.
It would be cool.
It's a great idea.
Tassels are so awesome for music festivals.
They are awesome.
I mean,
yes, for music festivals.
They are.
So I have 3 right here. And I don't have any that match your earrings
It's
exactly.
okay.
Is that okay?
Because I kind of want red.
Oh, well, perfect. I've got you a red one right there. And look, I've got this one too. And so I could make one too.
You could.
Because it kind of matches my outfit too.
You could.
Can I come to the music festival with you?
Yes.
Awesome. Some tassels. 4 different colors.
Great.
A button. Some little leather.
Leather.
What color you want?
I'll do that with this one right here.
Okay, I
Or
want...
the caramel color.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with this color.
Go for it.
Why not? Right. All right. So I'm thinking, and this is gonna be tough, but I'm pretty sure I used about 3 feet of leather. So I'm gonna go 3.5.
Okay.
And look, I have look.
Oh,
look,
I was gonna say, are we gonna
how are we
like-
gonna measure? Right.
Just like that.
Well, you could do it that way. Actually, that actually may actually be how I did it. Was like this, because that's like 3.5 feet. Oh, look, it was exactly that. Look.
An arm's length.
No, all I did for my shoulder.
Oh. Okay.
So this was about 3.5 feet. So that's what I'm cutting. You cut whatever you want. There you go.
I'm just gonna eyeball it.
Hold on, let me get out of your way. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, I think all I did to do this, Alicia, seriously, was put the...
Valley girl.
There you go. You can be Valley girl. Was put this button on here like this and tied an overhand knot.
Not underhand.
You can go underhand if you want to.
I don't know the difference, honestly. One's over,
I
one's
think it's
under.
just called an overhand knot. I don't think there is a difference. I could have gone under, but just like that. It's really just a basic knot. And you know, on the back of this, I did an adjustable knot, so I can. Do you want to do them?
Ooh, that I don't.
Awesome! I'm going
That
to
I
teach you
don't
something
know
new.
how to
I knew
do.
there would be something today that I could teach you.
I don't know how to do that.
I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy. All right, so I'm going to use this color, use that color.
Okay.
I think all we have to do is put a jump ring on our tassel. These have these little, what do you call this?
String.
Yeah, there you go. But I'm just going to clip it off after I get. Isn't this what you did when you made your earrings?
Yes,
These are the
because
same.
you
These
get
are the
to
same
pull.
tassels. You can kind of pull on it a little bit.
Yeah.
It makes it easier.
I love these tassels.
They're the best. They're the best tassels.
They are. You can't
You
find
can't.
these tassels anywhere else. Trust me. You gotta have the fluffy
The
tassels.
fluffy factor is real. Okay, so there.
You can put these on keychains too.
I have a
We have
keychain.
one.
Yes, that looks like that. One's with the red, which, you know, I can't find my keys all the time, but I can
Unless-
now
yeah.
because of my tassel. That's cute.
Purse pull.
Oh, I'm glad I used this color. Perfect.
We are gonna be noticed at the music festivals.
Absolutely.
For these.
Yeah, for sure.
If you can't find me, just look for the red tassel.
All right, so I'm just gonna kind of decide what length I want this, the longest length, and I think that looks about right to me. All right, so I overlapped my leather, like so. So there's one end, and you're just gonna take one end, and you're just going to tie, seriously, a plain old knot. So you make a loop all the way around, and then push the end through. So you just have a basic knot that goes around that piece on one side. Told you it was easy. Yeah.
Really? This is
Yeah,
it?
That's it. And then do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure that the knot goes the other direction. So then I'm just gonna take my little
The knot go the other direction.
So see it now. So see what it's
Oh, like that.
the end
you
points the
meant
other
like-
way. No, just like that. That is it. That is all you have to do. And these never come undone for me.
Mine's going done like crazy.
We have to tie it tight.
I can't get the other
See
knot.
how, look how that does? And then you just pull them to make it longer again. And then, but I do always leave a tail.
I can't do it backwards knot.
Yes, you can. I feel it. All right.
Okay.
And then see how I tied just a little knot on the end of the leather too, so that it'll never come undone. Like so. Okay. So that way you can make it longer or shorter. Yeah. But you probably want to tie that, like you want this to be
Tight.
tight. Yeah.
Look at this.
This is cute, isn't it?
So cute. Susan, we're gonna look so awesome at this festival in a
Yeah,
couple
we are.
weeks.
I'm excited.
I am too.
Yeah.
I'm so happy right now. I got the earrings, I got the necklace.
I got my necklace. I'm gonna probably have to make some earrings now. Yeah.
We're ready to go.
Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we worked with today, check out the links down below. What's your favorite festival lineup? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that you know a little bit about making music festival jewelry, you can say,
I made this.